All set. Ready to race, race number 3, 3-year-old group race, category 7. The 1,300-meter race is underway. We have Barumbado, shows alertness at the start. Iikot lang, right behind in second, then moving upon the outside, Dugong Bughaw. Batang Heroes is sneaking in down on the inside, is Barayong. Then on the outside, Interstate, Apo ni Maria. Right answer comes next, then moving upon the outside is Mount Dulang-Dulang, while Pollock Island is in behind them. Rounding towards the 600, two runners fighting out for the lead. Now we have 5A. Barayong takes up the running, and the stablemate iikot lang in second. Dugong Bughaw running on the outside, then moving up is Interstate as they race for home. We've got a couple runners in a 1-2 position. This one, Barayong, starts to draw away by some 4 to 5 lengths. Running on the outside, iikot lang Barang Heroes, Dugong Bughaw. With 75 meters to race, it's all Barayong. Iikot lang Batang Heroes, Dugong Bughaw, then comes 6A, Interstate, right answer.